Oh, I think I lost my wife. Well, guess I'll have to find another one. We found her. Okay. As you can see from the roosters, we're back. Yeah. Kaka, just shut up. These guys are all over the neighborhood. I know y'all missed them. And I know I didn't miss them at all. We're coming here to the market in Oton. The plaza's very nice. It's actually much better than what we have in Manchuria. But we're not really hanging out at the plaza, just passing through, going to the market, and looking at some of the changes. There have been a lot of changes to our public market. Some of it's just the normal stores change out to different stores, but they're putting in different entrances, probably because of some of the COVID restrictions. So the entrance to some of the stores are different. A lot of the stores have changed. Even like Aris Caldo here, it never had mini tables, now it has none. It's takeout only. Oh, excuse me. No, they took over the booth next to them and now they have tables next door. Oh, that's even better. Wow, I did not realize that. I may have to come back and get me some soup. They took over the store next to them and now they have tables, and their tiny area is just the kitchen only now. That's much better. But there's also a whole row of shops here. This is all new. There's a row of the carinderias here. I'm not sure when this came up, but I've been gone for 6 months. So we actually have more places to eat here. They're not like big name kind of places, but they're cheap. And a lot of the carinderias are pretty good. I will eat here. I know a lot of foreigners tend to stay away from unknown quantity, but I've never had a problem at most of these places. You pick one that's kind of busy, and it's okay. One of the main things closed is all the net cafes and print shops. There's a couple print shops open. Net cafes are all pretty much closed. Students were using it for homework and such, but now they're all doing homeschooling, so they don't need the net cafes. And since they have load for school, they have load for YouTube and such. I like the organization of the market here. They have like this whole big section of rice. Then they have like a section for the meats, and they separate pork over here, chicken over there, produce in one area, fruits in another. So I mean, they do a good job of keeping it separated, which makes it easier to shop. But it looks like the entire fruit section is walled off. I have no idea what's going on, but half the market is closed. We'll have to look into this. How bizarre. Okay, they've moved a whole lot under this section, because the other half of the market's closed. They're rebuilding, so hopefully they build something nice. Coconuts, lots of coconuts. You can get brown or green. And there's a big fence because they're rebuilding the market. I want to go see if I can see in there. They closed a bunch of it. I haven't been over here since before we moved to Boracay. Oh, there's that's what they grind the coconut on. I know I've shown that many times before, but every time I show it, seems to be the first time for someone. Yeah, this ain't open yet. Let's go look at it until they chase me out. They got a nice roof going, some gutters and drains, and it looks like all the columns are in place. I doubt there are going to be walls because it's a market, and this is all inside the market, so they don't need a wall, but they need a floor. So this is where all the fruit used to be, and our friend had a stand right there, and it's gone. they may be back in a nice new building. This is the first time I've seen this. Of course, we've been gone for a while. Hey, look, you want a coconut grinder? You can take it home. Maybe not.
They know you.
They know me?
Yes.
From where?
And on YouTube.
Uh-oh, let's just go say hi.
Yeah, you want to go say hi to them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you? How are you getting?
They said you're your subscriber.
Good. That's good to know. Thank you. You need money?
Yes, I don't have change.
They say they are my subscribers, but they do not seem to speak English, which has been a problem for me a little bit. We are buying both green and brown coconuts. The green ones we're keeping the water and scraping out the meat. It's very soft. The brown one you grind out with that little reamer I showed and make coconut milk. Is that like the scraper you just bought?
Yes.
This old section is pretty much like the new one. You've got the cement columns, you've got a decent roof. But then they cram it so full of these solid booths, there's no airflow. But that old section was pretty much just tarps strung up and people set tables under them, so that'll be better. That area got rained on real bad. It's what we really called a wet market. It was terrible in the rain. I like the new building. I hope it opens soon. But we won't be shopping here much. We're just here visiting, getting some stuff from the house, and going back to the condo. Enjoy your day in paradise.